Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and this is Smash Our Stash, where each month we have a theme to use something in our stash. This month the theme is flowers, and you can't tell that I'm using flowers from this project. I did put on some spackle, just some lightweight spackle I got from a dollar store. I put it on. I took some rubber stamps I had of spider webs and I let it dry. Then I'm taking just some acrylic black paint and painting over it. I will let that dry, and then I'll take some Distress Oxide ink and just color it to add some definition. And then finally I will take some gold metallic paint and just sort of dry brush over that. So that's my base. Then I'm going to go into my stash. I'm not showing you my stash here, but it is a quart size bag, a Ziploc bag filled with flowers of all different colors and sizes. And there are some that have been in that bag. Well, they've been in different boxes, but when I moved into the RV, I just put everything in one little bag. If it didn't fit, it didn't go. And gosh, I've had some of these for 10 years. Now this one, this pink flower, pink and purple, and I'm pretty sure it was on a sort of recent Smash Our Stash video on, no, it probably was embellishments on the 11th on how I made flowers from paper. And this was just one of the ones I tested and wanted to see how it would work. It actually is Valentine's Day paper, and I made my Valentine's Day projects, and now I had this left over. So I decided, well, you know what? I'm going to sacrifice Valentine's Day for Halloween. So I'm taking this skeleton that just was a Dollar Tree skeleton. I think you get 4 or 5 for $1. You know, you're supposed to string it up and look creepy, but I thought he was a perfect size to be on the album cover. So I'm painting him with this black paint. And let me tell you, I know that black acrylic paint is not going to stick on this plastic forever. You're better off using a spray paint or something that's not a water-based finish to stay on a plastic finish. I mean, plastic is meant so things don't stick to it. So, again, I know it's not going to work. I think I might try to cover it when I'm all done with some matte medium or a clear spray or something, just to make sure the paint doesn't rub off. But for this purpose, I am just painting it with the black, and then I'm going to go back over and paint it with just dry brush with some gold metallic. So now here I'm taking the black acrylic paint and painting the flower, which works perfectly well. I do need to water it down, so you'll see me from time to time get a spritz bottle of water just to water it. I just have a piece of plastic, leftover plastic from probably paper pack on there, and I'm mixing everything on there. I'm making a mess as I do it. I get paint all over myself. But anyhow, I'm taking this perfectly pink flower and painting it black. Trying to get into all the nooks and crannies and crevices. And then you'll see what I do with it. Oh yeah, I also took these stickers again from the Dollar Tree. They were perfectly fine how they were, but I painted them with black. And I put them on, then I dry brushed with the gold. And I put them on my mini album cover. Sorry if I'm trying to get it to focus. But see, I just painted it black, dry brushed. I added the flowers. You know how the hot glue comes out spiderwebby? Well, I just left it. And then added a couple of gems, some really gold flowers. I stamped creepy on a piece of black paper, backed it in gold, put it on with some dimensional adhesive. You'll see on the corner I had just a spider web from a die cut I put on there with a spider that I had. And there I go. That is how I used my flowers to make something creepy. That is my project with Smash Our Stash and how I used my pretty color flowers to make a creepy Halloween mini album cover. I will be completing this mini album in a video coming up. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out all the other people and see how they have smashed their flower stash. Have a great day.